So I thought I'd take a moment here to show you a little bit of what I've been doing. I didn't want to do a whole bunch of boring video of bending metal, but it's just all about, like I said before, pay attention to what you're doing, what the metal's doing, and keep working at it. Don't give up. And but now I'm having troubles getting this edge, and I thought I'd show how I'm getting it. First of all, I taped my edge where it's at. Second of all, I think what I'm going to do, I know what I'm going to do, is I'm going to measure from the edge out to there in about 4 locations. I'm going to transfer that measurement to here and put my dots together and see what we can do about making it work. So here we go. When I come to put this up here to see how it's fitting to make sure I'm on track, it keeps sliding off and it's not staying on. So what I went and done, made a pattern which I'll transfer to metal magnet to keep the cover in place while I check it out. Traced it out, gonna cut it out next with the cutting wheel. One thing I wanted to point out, I decided to go with the 12 gauge flat sheet of metal, mild steel. And the reason is, I'm thinking there'd be more of an edge for the piece that I'm making, which is the taillight covers, to butt up against, and that should help hold it in place even better than something like 18 gauge. One of the other things I like to do is when I make a pattern, I label it and keep it put away in a drawer. That way if I ever need to refer back to it, I have it. I have a drawer over there that has all my patterns in it. And there we go, we have those pieces made. Next they'll go on to the truck bed. Help me with the covers to hold them in place. So there you can see it, what I had in mind and how they're going to work. They'll stay on the truck now while I want to check stuff out, see how it fits and everything. Alright, got this piece made, tacked on in place. Tomorrow when the sun comes back out, we'll go fit it on the truck and see what kind of modifications is needed. I also want to say this is one of the most challenging pieces that could ever be done, in my opinion. It's got shapes going all different directions and different sizes of shape, dimensions, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, very challenging. Okay, a little bit more to go up here at the top, but I am pleased. Of course, it only took me 3 days because I'm not a professional, but I got all my gaps and everything looking awesome. This has got to be trimmed down a little bit, and 2 more pieces right there, and bam, we got it. Now we'll get to work on these 2 pieces and we'll have a completed, other than finish up welding, we'll have a complete start on the next one, but I won't do it on camera. I'll just get it done. Okay, so next we had to measure out this piece. Then took it, marked it. Now we'll cut it out and start shaping it. Okay, so the panel looks good, fits good. Only one problem. I don't have any way of mounting it. I can't get in at it from underneath. I can get at it from this side right there, that big hole, but that ain't gonna help me none. And there we have the two right there and right there, those factory bolt-on spots, and then those two squares right there are little fingers that's on the back of the light where they mount on there. So I think I'm going to try to go to the factory way of doing it, but I'll have to take apart the original light and use the back housing off it, mount it to this metal, and bam. Hopefully that's the game plan. We're going to see if it works or not. Alright, this shop is a mess. But, holy cow. Anyway, yeah, this is the back of the light. I'm done using this like that. So I cut it out. This side is cut and ready. Well, it needs to be cleaned up, smoothed up a little bit. I still need to cut these three sides, smooth them up, and then I'm hoping this is what works for me. I'll mount this skin to this. I gotta take this plate off the bottom here in order for it to mount onto there, but then I'm hoping I'll be able to mount them on. And then eventually, at some point in time, we're going to be sealing it all up. There won't even be any seams. But anyway, that's where we're at for now. So, watch for the next video. See the progress, see if this design, this idea works or not. Otherwise, I got to figure out something else. Alright, so it looks like I'm pretty close to success. Tail light covers. I'm going to finish it off with no cameras going and just start pounding away on it and get it completed. I'll show you what it looks like after I got it all done and mounted. Because I'm working with metal and fiberglass both at the same time. Metal on one side, fiberglass on the other side of the tail light cover itself. But anyway, yeah, there we go. It's pretty much finished. Other than, of course, you know, adding more weld to it, then smoothing it out and, you know, that stuff, making it look all like one piece. And the only thing left now is just saying, hey, everybody have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Don't forget to get out there and work on your project when the weather's right and make it your own. So, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, positive or negative, I don't care. Have a good Christmas, everybody. Stay cool. Don't be a fool. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year, too. See ya.